G'day everyone and welcome to Super T Console Gaming. Today's going to be a slightly different video, but it will be a quick one. And it's all about how I got to 1,000 subscribers in 2022. So, what we're going to do in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what I did. So at the end, I'll give you the exact actions that I took, call it a top 10 tips if you will, to help me accelerate and get to those 1,000 subscribers nice and quickly. I won't make general comments or make promises that you'll get to 1,000 subscribers in a day or a week like most of these sorts of videos do. I'm really going to tell you exactly what I did. So stick around for the whole video and I'll take you on my journey to 1,000 subscribers. So, where it all started, essentially there's two parts of the story. So back in August of 2016, we really set up a games channel. And we kind of left it as that until December of 2021. And then the second part is in January 2022 until now, some 6 months later that we're in June, where we really narrowed the scope of our channel and it took on a whole different life as such. So I'm going to take you through those two parts, just so that you really understand what I did. And before you sort of start to panic and go, well, I'm not going to take 7 years to get to where I want to get to, don't stress, because what I've done in the last 6 months will more than adequately get you to your 1,000 subscribers in 2022. So just to set it up for you, between 2016 and 2021, I wanted to be a toy channel. Yeah, but I didn't have any focus. I just did everything. So there were train videos, blind bag openings like Ushi's, did trips to SeaWorld. We had video games. We had random plane flights. It was literally everything. There was no focus or direction for the channel. For a brief moment, I managed to get monetized, but then YouTube changed their rules, and instead of chasing the subscribers that I needed, being 1,000, the hours viewed that I needed being 4,000, I pretty much gave up. So with the exception of some PS4 streaming sessions that I did on my channel over that time, really nothing else happened. So after roughly 4.5 years, I had a dead channel with only 400 subscribers. In fact, for all of last year, so 2021, I only gained 6 subscribers. So that's how bad the channel was going. I wasn't doing anything. I had no focus. It was just a random thing. It had stalled at 400 subscribers after 4.5 years and it was doing nothing. So we now come to phase 2, which was basically from January this year, so 2022 until now, and we're in the really early parts of June. So not quite a full 6 months, but basically what I did is I decided that I wanted to try again. Okay, so I did some really quick things to set the channel up for a new direction. So firstly, I changed my channel name. So this was to reflect that now I was really only going to focus on console games. That was what I was going to do. So yes, you've seen in my channel, it's predominantly Nintendo stuff, but I will do PlayStation, I will do Xbox, I will do Apple Arcade, but essentially we're doing console games. So that's very clear in the title. Secondly, I narrowed the focus of my channel with the exception of a few popular videos that I made during the toy 4.5 year period of the channel. I basically went through and privated or made private all of the videos and playlists that did not meet that console gaming scope. So if it wasn't about console gaming, I made it private. Third, I started making content that was all about console gaming. So with lots of Mario Kart, Mario Golf, Mario Tennis, Mario 3D World, Chocobo Racing, all sorts of console related content so that people who came to my channel knew exactly what they were going to get. And fourth, and to me this is the most important part, I kept it fun, right? So I don't swear, I always try and have a good time, and I'm always nice to every comment that I get, even to the people that are nasty to me, and it's YouTube, so you're going to get that. But engage with your audience. If people take the time to comment, then take the time to respond and keep it light, keep it happy, keep it positive, and that will serve you well. So now, in return for that, so this was right at the start of January, by the end of January, I'd gained 42 subscribers. So essentially, I'd increased my subscriber base in that 1 month by making those simple changes by 10%. Okay, now right now you're thinking 42 subscribers, that's not a whole lot, but let me show you how that grows. So with my focus starting off for the 1,000 subscribers, we still had a long way to go. So in the last weekend of January of this year, 2022, I decided to give shorts a go. Okay, so for those of you that don't know, shorts, like TikTok videos, like Reels, it's YouTube's version of creating a short video, less than a minute, but that's kind of what you're looking for, right? So I didn't have any idea what to do with shorts. I didn't know what to do, but I started to upload them in the last weekend of January, and there was a big change about to come to my channel. So by the end of February, I'd posted just over 100 shorts. Now that sounds like a lot, but most of my shorts were about 15 seconds long. So not a lot of content, but quite a few in terms of numbers. My approach to those videos was completely random, a total scattergun approach with no goal except fun. Basically what I was doing at that point is I was just finding random video footage that I found interesting, that I generally recorded in my longer videos, and then put like a song that I liked over the top. So just a random pop song, played it for 15 seconds, and that was the video, and I uploaded it. At the end of the video, or this video, I'll tell you exactly how I refined my shorts approach. So how I went from that scattergun approach over the last 6 months to having it nice and refined to show you how I've gotten the results that I have in the last 6 months. So our first 4 months of shorts gained me a total of 84 subscribers. So that's double what I achieved in January. So started January, we made those very quick and easy overall changes to our channel. We changed the name, we narrowed the scope, right? That got us those subscribers. We then started running shorts, and that helped us double. So we've gone from 6 for the entire year of 2021. We've gone to 40 for January, and then 84 in February. Now this trend continued. In March of 2022, we got 64 subscribers. In April, we got 135, and in May, we got 175 subscribers. Now, we are now growing our subscribers exponentially, and by the end of May, we were already on the verge of our 1,000 subscriber goal. So at that point, I had tweaked the way that I uploaded my shorts so that they complemented my longer videos and gave me maximum subscriber growth. So to give you an example, my last 28 days of subscriber growth is 402. So let that sink in. 402 subscribers in 28 days is more than the subscribers I had after 4.5 years of the original version of this channel. And to bring that up even more, in the last 7 days, so in 1 week, I've gained 165 subscribers. So if you're a large channel, those numbers don't mean a lot. But when you're trying to get your first 1,000 subscribers, 165 in 7 days is a massive amount of subscribers. And I've done that by tweaking and utilizing shorts. Okay, so I've now passed 1,000 subscribers, and my growth is still increasing every single day. So if you want a rough time frame, and we've said it already, but essentially in 2022, if you follow the 10 tips that I'm about to give you, I think about 6 months should be a fairly good time for the average person like myself to get 1,000 subscribers in YouTube. And I think that's a good thing. So here we go. This is how I've used my shorts. So my top 10 tips. Firstly, I keep the video to 15 seconds only, and I place a popular song over the top of it. Okay, so the 15 seconds comes from the fact that YouTube only lets you use 15 seconds of a popular song. So there's my first tip, 15 seconds. All the footage that I use in my shorts come from my long videos, and I then link the shorts back to the original video. So I'm not doubling up on my work. I've already got the footage there to edit down to the 15 seconds. And I'm also using it as an advertisement for my longer videos by linking it back. Tip number 3, all the titles, I keep them very, very simple and very searchable. So I'm not putting in long-winded sentences. I'm not doing anything. If it's a Mario Kart video, I simply put in the name of the track and the name of the Mario Kart game. So it might be Coconut Mall, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. That's it. That's all I do. I then don't use any hashtags at all. So I don't go in and put any tags in. I don't do any of that stuff. with the only exception being hashtag shorts. And you need that so that YouTube recognizes your video as a short and then promotes it as such. The next tip is that I repeat the titles in the description. So again, if my title is Coconut Mall Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, I copy and paste that into the description. It's that simple. I then place 3 cards throughout the short. So those are those links that pop up in the video that attempt to take your viewer back to the longer video or other longer videos on your channel. I then don't schedule my shorts. I post them to the public right away. I've found that if you schedule your shorts, you don't get that potential of an initial burst or initial, viewer ship, and they don't tend to go anywhere. So post them straight away. Don't schedule them, just put them straight to public. And the other thing is that when you are posting, post them in groups of 4. Now, the reason for that is this. I found that when you post them in groups of 4, 1 or 2 will inevitably do quite well. And for a channel my size, quite well is 1,000 up to about 6,000 views. And then 1 or 2 of the 4 will only get a couple of hundred. Okay, but that to me is still a really good outcome. So I found posting them to public straight away and posting them in groups of 4 get really good outcomes. I then have actually found a time that seems to work quite well for my channel as well. And for me, that time is around 9 a.m. New York time. Okay, so obviously I live in Australia, but the time that I go on is around 9 a.m. New York time, and that seems to just give me the best consistent outcome when I post my shorts. I then pin a comment to each of my shorts where basically I ask everyone to like and subscribe. And then I also, as I've already said in this video, I reply nicely to every single comment, even the nasty ones, okay? So you're gonna get nasty comments, but at the end of the day, that is a person who's taken the time to interact with your video. So be thankful for that. Be nice, be appreciative. And if they're nasty, that's okay. Go back and say thank you and well done. So they're my top 10 tips of exactly what I do with my shorts. And that was exactly how I got to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so inside 6 months doing those 10 things, I grew my channel by 1,000 subscribers. I was a small channel. I still am a small channel. That's what's worked for me. Okay, so that's how I got to 1,000. I really hope that you find the video helpful, and be sure to go and check out the other videos on my channel. Okay, there's lots of games, it's all that sort of stuff, but check it all out. It's good fun. We have a good time. But I really wish you the best of luck. I hope this helps. I hope your journey to 1,000 subscribers is made easier by the content of this video. I really do. Be sure to let me know your story in the comments. Let me know how you go. Let me know what you're trying to do. Let me know if you got to 1,000 subscribers by doing something different. I'd love to hear how you got there and what your story is. Most importantly, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. It's great when you guys take the time to do that, and it's just really awesome from our perspective. So thank you very much for that. And now it's time for us to get back to playing games, because that's what we do here at Super T Console Gaming. I'll see you later. Thanks very much. You're awesome. See ya. Bye.